quadratic equation we will discuss very clearly. X, Y, Z are variables, you know that already. X, any English alphabets generally X, Y, Z are taking as variables, whereas A, B, C we are taking as constants. Why? Because in the given question X and generally X and Y, Z only we are taking as variables. Generally in the our class exams sums all are taking as variable X generally. So Ax plus B one variable polynomial. Why? Because here it is not equal to some other number. Ax plus B one variable polynomial, because it is a polynomial. In another chapter polynomial we will discuss about briefly about this. Ax plus b is equal to 0, one variable equation. Suppose this is the standard form of one variable equation with x variable as x variable. Ax square plus bx plus c quadratic polynomial. This will also be explained in another chapter, that is polynomial. But ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, quadratic equation standard form. This is standard form of quadratic equation or general form. But here a is not equal to 0, condition for quadratic equation. Why I wrote with red pen means to reiterate, to concentrate more on that condition. That's why I wrote with a red pen. Okay, a is not equal to 0 should be present. Then if it is 0, it will be again into one variable, as one variable equation it will come. So that's why we should not keep a is not equal to 0. Afterwards in the sums I shall explain which is a different condition sums I shall give you. Next, check second condition, check whether the given equation is quadratic equation or not. To find out this, what are the given values we need to solve. Afterwards any cancellation is there means you can cancel it. After cancellation, if suppose it is getting in the form of standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 getting means, then it is quadratic equation. Otherwise it is not a quadratic equation. Suppose one example I am giving, x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. Of course, expansion of a plus b whole square, you know that a square plus b square plus 2ab. In that way, I expanded x square plus 1 whole square plus 2 into x into 1 is equal to 2 into x 2x minus 2 into 3. Okay, now x square plus 1 square means 1 only. Actually, I am writing again 2 into 2 1s are 2, x 2x. Here 2x minus 2 3s are 6. Here both sides 2x in between is equal to is there, 2x get cancelled. X square plus 1 square means 1 only is equal to minus 6. X square plus 1, just transfer that side, minus 6 becomes plus 6 is equal to 0. That means x square plus 1 plus 6 means 7 is equal to 0. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0 because x term is absent in this condition. C is equal to 7. X square plus 0x plus 7 is equal to 0. Of course, it is equivalent to x square plus 7 is equal to 0. It is in the form of quadratic equation. That's why it is a quadratic equation. It is the best example for yes, whether it is quadratic equation or not. Yes, it is quadratic equation. Another example I am giving which is not a quadratic equation. Another example 2 I am giving. Previously what we have discussed, that is quadratic equation standard form. But here not a quadratic equation I am giving. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole square. Suppose as it is x square plus 3x plus 1 I wrote as it is. Now it is expanded form as a minus b whole square. x square plus 2 square minus 2 into x into 2, because a minus b whole square expansion I did. A square means in the place of a, here x is there, so x whole square. In the place of b, 2 is there, that's why plus 2 whole square. But 2ab no, minus 2ab. 2 into a means in the place of a, x is there. In the place of b, again 2 is there. So that's why I wrote like this. Now as it is x square plus 3x plus 1, downside right as it is. X square, 2 square means 2 into 2, 2 times. That means 4 coming. Minus 2 2s are 4 into x. It is variable. So multiplication after that, minus 4x getting. In each side there x square, here x square is there, in between is equal to is there, so x square get cancelled. 3x plus 1 is there as it is, right? 3x plus 1, just I am transferring one side all, that is 3x minus 4x becomes plus 4x plus 1 as it is, right? This plus 4 becomes that side, means minus 4 is getting is equal to 0. Now 3x plus 4x means 7x. 1 minus 4, that means different sign is there. Different sign is there means you need to subtract, and which sign is more, that sign we must keep. 1 minus 4 means 3 is getting, but minus sign is more, that's why minus 3 getting is equal to 0. It is in the form of ax plus b format, means that it is a linear equation, but not, it is not a quadratic equation. What it is, separate condition, suppose they are asking, means we should write it is not a quadratic equation, but it is a linear equation. The given situation can be represented in the form of quadratic equation models we are discussing now. For example, the area of rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot in meters is 1 more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. This kind of sum is given in olden papers, old papers, given as 8 marks. Before corona time, it is given as 8 marks. Now it may be a 4 marks question. So let us discuss. First of all, the given condition is rectangular variation, length and breadth is given. The relation between length and breadth is given in the given question. First of all, base is here x. That's why we are taking as, let the breadth of a plot be x. That means b is equal to value x, bx. Length is equal to 1 more than twice of a breadth, because it is given length 1 more than twice its breadth given. That is the given condition. That's why we are writing length is equal to 1 more than twice of breadth. L is equal to 2x plus 1. L is equal to 2x plus 1, because twice means 2 times of breadth plus extra 1 more than. Area of rectangular plot A is equal to L into B. This is the formula for rectangular area. So length place 2x plus 1, breadth place x. Now supposed to be multiplying with 2x into x means 2x square, plus 1 into x means 1x, or x we can write. According to given sum, area is equal to 528 meters square given. So 2x square plus x, as per formula we got 528 is given value of the given sum. So according to sum, the value is 528. So we are equating that 2x square plus x is equal to 528. 2x square plus x, after transfer that side, plus becomes minus 528 is equal to 0. This is equal to standard form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Children, this is very important form. Situation form sums definitely will come in the public examination. So need to practice much time, 3 or 4 times you need to practice, then you will get this kind of sums. Not only this variety, sometimes speed velocity oriented sums, distance time related sums they will give, so that even tough sums also may give. By that time interest oriented simple interest sums like that it will be given. But for CBSE model it is more than this kind of sums, 1 or 2 sums may give. We will discuss about next question. Find the roots of quadratic equation by factorization method. X square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. It is one of the important variety of question. How to solve the values of x? Here x power is 2, that's why it has 2 solutions. Now we are going to solve these 2 solutions by splitting method. That is you have learnt in 8th level only, but this kind of sum is very important. Now we will discuss. Now what it is, x square extreme terms multiplication we are doing now, x square into minus 10, that means minus 10x square. Now we are going to split this as minus 5x into 2x. Suppose multiplying means we will get minus 10x square, addition means minus 5x plus 2x means minus 3x will get, because different sign is there means subtraction, more sign, minus sign, that's why we are getting minus 3x. Now instead of minus 3x we are writing x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. That means we are writing minus 3x as in terms of 2, that is minus 5x plus 2x. Now we are taking common from these two terms x into x minus 5, because x into x square minus 5 into x minus 5x, plus in these two terms we are taking common 2 first, 2 into x minus 5, because 2 into x 2x, 2 into 5 10, but plus into minus, 2 5 are minus 10 is getting is equal to 0. In these two terms x minus 5 is common we are taking, so the remaining letter x is there, here remaining letter plus 2 is there, that means letter means number only is equal to 0. X minus 5 one term, x plus 2 another term, that means by taking common x minus 5 the remaining words here x plus 2 we are writing. Now x minus 5 is equal to 0 one time, x plus 2 is equal to 0 another time. After transformation x is equal to minus 5 becomes plus 5. Here x plus 2 after transformation we are getting x is equal to minus 2, that means plus becomes minus 2. That's all. Discuss important concept in quadratic equations is nature of the roots. General form or standard form of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Roots are minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a, comma minus b minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Combinedly we can write as x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. This derivation we will discuss later videos. This is very important. 2 zeros are came, but in this chapter we are not using as word 0, because this solution is written as roots of the solution. Zeros are used in polynomials. Roots in quadratic equation we will use. Generally both are same, but in the quadratic equation generally we are representing roots, where delta is equal to or d is equal to b square minus 4ac. D means discriminant. Discriminant means without finding any solution we can find the nature of the roots, that is the special. Without solving any sum we can say about the roots by this nature of the roots. What is that means? D or delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 means roots are real and distinct or different. Any one of the words you can use. Roots are real and distinct, different or vary we can use. Generally English words are changing time to time in the sums. But distinct is a mathematical word or different is a nice word in English. So we are using that. D is equal to delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 there means roots are real and equal. Next, d is equal to delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is less than 0. No real roots. Roots are not real and unequal. Not real means imaginary roots. Not real means imaginary roots. It is very important. That's all children. Have a nice day. You watch it and you will get the entire information about quadratic equation. Key concepts we have discussed. Later we will discuss main sums in this chapter. You have a doubts means you can ask in the comment place. Thank you.